Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures, and right now we are on board the amazing Disney Treasure.
Today, we're going to be giving you a room tour of our room 7522. Come on in, guys. All right, so here's your extended tour of the room. We have closets right here. If you want to come around and take a peek at this one, tons of closet space. I set my stuff in there. And the ladder. Take note of that. That's going to come into play later. We have our other half of the closet here. Life vest, safe, all the essentials. Make sure to put your, important stuff in the safe, as well as the laundry bag.
This is the laundry bag here, and let me give you a view really quick because this is our more detailed tour. These are the prices for laundry, so you can pause on that and check out what it would cost you if you want to get laundry done. There's your safe. Use it. Tip for you: if you come in these rooms and the hangers are spread out and you don't have things hanging on them, you're going to hear them at night swinging around. So take them, push them all the way over to the side like that, and they're quieter that way.
There you have it. All right, so I'm going to take you in forward more this way. Right here, we have our connecting room door that opens up perfectly right there. Say hi.
So that you can see your family,
Uh,
whether you like them or not.
Don't know if people will have the room service people shut that later.
We do have a tour of that room as well. Check it out on our YouTube channel.
All right, so continuing more this way, we have our flat screen TV, which sits perfectly right in front of the nice queen-sized bed. Take note that the art is Aladdin because this room is Aladdin themed. And right over there, let's go back because I forgot to mention the outlets. We had tons of outlets there. We have a European outlet, but also you'll take note to see that there's also a USB port and a USB-C port as well. And then you have your downlight and artwork switches, which just controls the lights. And I'll show you the rest over here. We have two outlets right here, just standard outlets, as well as two USB-C ports, an artwork and downlight switch as well. And you have your nice little reading lights. You can read at night or whatnot. Pretty nice. Now, wait, division curtain. So you can unhook this, divide the room in half, me on one side, parents on the other. Annoying, it's fine.
The only thing I want to mention about the curtains in these rooms on the Wish, the Treasure, the Destiny, this Triton class of ship is that the TV is over here on the side by the bed and it does not cross over onto the side from the couch. When the curtain closes, you can't see it from over there, but I do like the curtain because it gives you a dressing room of sorts so you don't have to cram into the bathroom when you get ready.
Yep, so moving over here, we have our nice Agrabah artwork, since this is, once again, an Aladdin room.
Has a map of Agrabah.
And then just below that, we have our nice couch, which will fold into a bed. And right up here, a bunk bed will fold down as well, which is where that ladder comes into play.
And we'll give you a peek at that.
As you can see, the beds are now transformed. So the couch was here, now it's folded down into a bed. And from the ceiling, the bunk bed is folded down as well. And the ladder from the cabinet is here as well. And if you come over here and look up here, since this is the Aladdin room, we have the genie, and it says phenomenal cosmic powers, itty bitty living space. So it's a nice little nod to Aladdin. And then up here, you have your reading light, which if I can find the switch for, I don't think I can. There is USB ports right there. And well, I'm not sure if I can find the switch by not looking.
Get this out.
Ah, there.
So you have a little reading light up on the top and a USB charging port. Is there two of them? There's two of them.
Yeah.
Two USB charging ports for devices.
A nice little stand here. It swivels and rotates, but it like hooks under there to minimize the amount of space that it takes up, like a TV tray. It's nice. Drawer space here. Mini fridge here. Very nice. Then you have your hair dryer right here.
A lot of people want to see what the hairdryer looks like. And this is a hot mat for a curling iron or, whatever else.
There you have it. Shelving space, shelving space, shelving space for glasses. Some more outlets right over here. If you want to come take a look at that, we have one USB-C port as well as two standard outlets and a European outlet underneath the ball of that.
And mirror, light switches for the balcony. The curtain lights are ambient lighting right over the curtain. The ceiling, obviously the mirror light.
We have our Castaway Club gifts right here, and Room service.
All right. This drawer has lots of fun things in it. Paper envelopes if you want to write somebody a note or the crew the note. If you need more, go to guest services and you can get more. This is your important port and ship contact information. You can take a picture of it with your phone before you get off on port. These are postcards. You can get more from guest services. You can mail these from Castaway Key. You just go to guest services and buy Bahamian stamps. They are 66 cents a piece. This is the breakfast room service menu. If you want to order breakfast ahead of time, you can fill this out, hang it on your door the night before, and room service will be delivered according to what you ordered. Don't forget a tip for your room service attendant.
Yep, and then we have the nice little stool here that folds out so you can sit on it, do your makeup, ladies, whatever. Moving over here, we have 2 more shelves as well as the phone, which is now on the wall.
And recycle and trash bins.
Yes, recycle and trash, very nice. And let's check out the balcony. I almost forgot the book. But
Well, this is the most important part of the room.
yep, we have our balcony out here. Look at the beautiful ocean view we have today. A little bit rainy, a little bit clouds.
And these balconies do connect to the rooms next door. It's optional if you want to have them opened up. So if you are traveling with family, you can have one big balcony. I think the most we've had was 7 or 8 of them connected at one time. If you want that many balcony rooms in a row, book early, give me a call, email, whatever. I can help with that.
If you want to keep your little ones from getting out onto the balcony when they're not supposed to, there's a child lock right here. So since it's red, now even if I fold this down, I still can't move it because the child lock is active and obviously a child can reach that. So boom. Let's finish up the room tour. Back over here at the end with these nice split bath design, we have the sink, shower, bathtub combination room.
All right, I'm going to give you a look. Everybody asked what is in here. This is body lotion, soap, and instructions on how to wash your hands in case you don't know how. Washcloths, this is for your makeup ladies. I love that because I feel like my makeup gets them dirty all the time. There are towels here. There are 4 hanging in here. You can ask for extras and the towel to put on the floor when you get out of the shower. I also want to show you there are towel hooks. If you hang your towels on these hooks when you get out of the shower, they can dry and you can be a little more environmentally friendly. Here is the shower slash tub combo. So there is a bathtub in here. And here you go, shower. There are shelves in there for your soap, or you can use their soap. You have conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. This shower head, my husband is about 6'2", and he does fit in here. Right here to hang your swim clothes. This you can pull this rope to the other side if you don't know what that is, and hook it over there. You can hang your swim clothes over it. Here is the shower door. This actually folds in, or it pulls out into the bathroom. Either way.
Yeah, there you have it. There's the shower bath sink combo. And then right over here, we have the toilet sink combo. Pretty much. This one's
There you go.
plain, standard.
Toilet sink combo, shelves, again, more hooks, and hand soap. If you need a sharps container, which some people do for medical reasons, you can request them, and they do have sharps containers for these bathrooms.
Yes, there you have it. You have your thermostat right here to control your temperature, and then all of your switches and doodads and gets.
The lights. What happens if I come into my room when I first get here, the lights won't turn on?
So if the lights won't turn on, it's 99.9% of the time because you don't have your card in this slot. So for eco-friendly reasons, they put this here basically to where you have to have your stateroom key card in this slot because the lights won't be on. That way it'll conserve energy. You can't
And
leave with
also, you can't leave your curling iron on or whatever. If the power's off, we kind of cheated. We have a Disney gift card, and it has a magnet attached to the back of it because the walls are magnetic. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you found this room tour useful and helpful for your cruise. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like,
subscribe.
and leave a comment down below. If you would like vacation planning assistance for your next cruise or any other vacation, look me up. My name is Melissa, and you'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.